Hello, everyone. How's everything is doing? Today, I have one solution for computer audio or volume issues. So the solution is like how to fix the computer volume issues or the audio service issues. So currently, I face one issue that's completely the volume or the audio was gray out, and there was no way to control this, whether enabling or disabling or playing around the volume setting. So when this issue happened, what it looked like, let me show you. When this issue is happened, you cannot control your volume or the speaker is completely grayed out. So here, the one on the left, I mean, the one on the right bottom side, you see speaker on your window if you are on window. So here, this button, the speaker button should be like crossed or grayed out completely. When you try to play around the volume, it doesn't work. When you go to the volume setting, also it doesn't work. So you can put this volume at any level because it's completely grayed out. And any devices around here, input, output device, everything is grayed out. You cannot control those. So those, like, maybe if you are new to this issue, is like surprise. So you can listen any videos, any outcoming audio from your PC, or you cannot deliver any audio input to your PC. So everything is going to be completely out or disabled. So if this issue is happening to you, what the issues probably. So I find out like the issues probably from 5 things. It can be from 5 sources. So let us see one by one with solution. So the first issue, this one is saying if the volume is disabled or grayed out in your system volume setting, it indicated that there may be specific issue preventing you from adjusting the volume. There are a few possible reasons or solutions as well. So the first issue can be the audio service issue. This audio service issue prevent your Windows audio service like responding the playback. It may be encounter like problems that disable the volume control. So when I say the Windows audio service responsible for the playback, when issues happen with the audio service, so your volume gonna be disabled. So you cannot control your volume. If this happened to your PC, how you gonna fix? There are a solution for this. So the solution is you can try restarting the audio service by solving this. Here is how to do that. Here is how to do that. So you need to open the run dialog box by pressing Windows plus R. When I say Windows, that's the Windows key on your keyboard, and R on your keyboard. So this is going to happen on your keyboard. Then there is a pop-up dialog box where you type services.msc without any codes. And when you enter, it's going to take you to the services window. So where you can locate the Windows audio or the audio endpoint builder service. So by right-clicking on this audio services, you can restart it. You can restart it. Once the service restarted, so check your volume, whether it's enabled or not. So I'm going to show you, just I'm going to control the window symbol in the R on my keyboard. And it's give me this dialog box that's pop up, small window. So I need to type this. When I enter, it's going to give me another window that shows all services I have on my video. So the instruction says that I should have to go to the Windows audio, or the audio endpoint view there. So let me go down to the Windows audio. It should be on the first W here. So in my case, the Windows audio is running. So if it's not running, I should have to right click and restart it. So that fixed in one way. The other way is, say, like audio endpoint builder is located next to the Windows audio. So I should have to right click and restart this one too. So once I restart it and it's completely restarted, the volume control should be enabled if the issue is coming from the audio service. If this service is not working and the issue is not fixed, so the second issue should be corrupted or outdated audio drivers. So fault or outdated audio drivers can cause issues with volume control. When my audio driver is outdated, this issue has the probability to happen. How I can solve this issue? The solution is update the audio drivers to the latest version. So I should have to update the audio drivers to the latest version. How can I update these audio drivers? So as any other drivers, these drivers can be updated through the device manager. So looking up the latest audio drivers compatible with your operating system, download the drivers and follow the instruction on the manufacturer and restart your computer if the volume control is enabled. So the shortcut we can go through, like Windows plus X. It's going to give us this window. So the window, the pop-up you see on the left side of this screen, is give us the option how we can update our drivers. So if I click on the device manager, I'm gonna see the device managers like listed here, what lists I have in my system. So if I go to like sound, video, and the game controller, so here where we can find out the audio driver, the sound driver, the video driver. So all drivers we see under here. So if I expand this, I see there are like audio drivers here. So if I right click here, it's give me the update driver. When I click on update driver, it's gonna show me or give me the option how to search for drivers. So search automatically for drivers and also browse my computer for the drivers. So if I click on here, it's gonna browse where the drivers are located on my device. When I click here, is the window gonna search for the computers for the best like up-to-date drivers and install it on my computers. So I'm gonna go to this automatically just to search for the drivers and install if it's not compatible. What it says, give me the result. It's already scanned one time. It say the best drivers for your device is already installed. So I don't need drivers. So the driver is already installed, the audio drivers. So this issue is not happening. This solution not gonna work in my case. So as soon as I started, so this is already grayed out. You don't see this audio. It's like grayed out. You cannot control. So after you fix it, you try to update the driver. In your case, if you come back, still the problem is not fixed. We go to the search issues. The search issues, what this look like. The third issue can be a group policy restriction. In some cases, group policies set by the system administrators or a specific setting in Windows may restrict you from the volume control. Mostly, this issue is happening in like the public computers or the company computers. If you are using the library computers, maybe they put it on this setting as their policy. If you are also working in on the company's computers in office, maybe the administrator put it this for like for policy issues. In this case, you need to contact the administrator for this system. So as personally, you don't have any solution for this because those computers are administered by different peoples. The fourth issue can be the third-party or audio software. Certain third-party audio softwares or sound management applications may override or disable the systems for volume control. Whenever you install or download softwares from open source, maybe they override or disable your system volume controller. So especially if this issue is happening after you install any software, you should have to take this step first. This step first probably is coming from those adversary effect. In this issue, the solution is check if you have any such software installed and try disabling or uninstalling it temporarily to see if it restores the volume control. So disable that software or uninstall that software and go and check your volume control, whether it's fixed or not. So if it's not fixed after you disabled that software, the issue probably not belong to this category. This fifth issue can be the malware or system issues. When I say malware, it's about viruses. Malware infections or system issues can sometimes cause unexpected behavior, including disabling volume control, especially in modern time. So everything is on website. While you are working on website, that means maybe watching a movie or just clicking on some links on website or texting with different chatting. So probably your system is affected by viruses. And that this virus can disable or affect different systems in your device. They may cause like corruptions in your system. So that's what viruses are doing. They cause a lot of issues and disturb your work situation, disturb your mental order. So maybe those viruses affected your computers. You have the good solution for this. What you're gonna do, perform a full system scan using a reliable antivirus software to check for any malware infections. Additionally, consider performing a system integrity check or using a system restore options to restore your computer to the previous working state. So you should have to fully scan your computer or restore your computer to the previous working stage if it's possible. So if you try this and also this doesn't fix your computer or your virus scan doesn't find out any, so the best and the last solution you have is restart your computer. So restart computer by itself fix a lot of things, especially those minor issues. So while you are just browsing a lot of thread on your computer, maybe your computer got busy or maybe corrupted and the audio is disabled. So once you restart your computer, it's gonna restore. Your computer gonna be restored. And hopefully it's gonna fix your issues. If you restart your computer, you tried all possible solutions and still the issue is happening, you need to seek further assistance from technical support or professionals who can diagnose or troubleshoot the specific problem with your system. So first, just try the priority of this solution very much depend on your specific issue. For example, if I downloaded some software and that these issues happen to me, I'm going to start first from uninstalling that software and check it whether that's happened. If I get up my antivirus is outdated or something is happening, probably it's coming from virus. I should have to update my antivirus. And then, so you can try in these solutions if you didn't find out. And you have these issues or the issue like this, I recommend if you put it in the chat box on this video. I will come back with a different video and do on these issues too. So thank you again for watching this video. I appreciate for everything you did. Thank you. Have a good one.